Can you explain how exercise reverses insulin resistance? This is one of those rare scenarios in which someone actually wants me to go more in depth. So the benefit of exercise actually goes far beyond weight loss for helping to reverse insulin resistance. In fact, exercise without calorie restriction or weight loss can help increase insulin sensitivity, therefore decreasing insulin resistance. And a single bout of moderate intensity exercise can increase glucose uptake by at least 40%, and this can last for up to 48 to 72 hours, indicating that it will increase insulin sensitivity for at least 1 to 2 days afterwards. With that being said, if you do not lose weight, insulin resistance will return back to baseline if you stop exercising. Therefore, these are not long-lasting effects unless this exercise leads to other lifestyle changes such as weight loss. The mechanisms are quite complex, but I'll try to simplify it. When free fatty acids and other fat molecules build up inside of our muscles, they inhibit the insulin signaling cascade. Essentially at the very beginning of the insulin signaling cascade, insulin depicted in yellow binds to the insulin receptor. Then another protein called IRS1 will bind to the receptor, which leads to two more proteins binding to IRS, which collectively are referred to as PI3K. However, when fatty acids increase inside of the muscle cell, they activate a protein called PKC, and this protein can essentially block the IRS signaling cascade. Therefore, insulin signaling becomes inhibited at its very first step. Therefore, even when insulin binds to the cell does not respond properly, which we collectively refer to as insulin resistance. But luckily, exercise increases the rate of lipolysis and reduces the amount of those fatty acids within the muscle cell, therefore releasing their inhibitory effect on insulin signaling. Understand that in the face of being overweight, the muscle is faced with increasing amount of these intramuscular lipids. Therefore, if you do not continue to oxidize them through exercise, they will reaccumulate back inside of the muscle cells and continue to evoke insulin resistance. Therefore, exercise can transiently reduce insulin resistance, but these effects are not long-lasting, so if you do not make other lifestyle changes, these effects will not persist if you do not continue to exercise repeatedly. With that being said, if you would like an individualized approach to your nutrition and lifestyle to optimize your health, energy, and body composition, send me a DM to sign up for coaching.